Today we will study about the periodic classification of elements. Okay, this is the 10th class chapter, and in this chapter we will study about the periodic table. Okay, there are how many periods, how many groups are there in periodic tables. So let's start. Periodic classification of elements. Okay, so if you want to study about the periodic classification, first you know about the periodic table. Okay, what is periodic table? Periodic table. The scientist Mendeleev created a periodic table, and in the periodic table, so many elements are there. Okay, and these elements are arranged in two ways. The first way is period, and second is group. Okay, when we learn periodic table, we study the periodic table by the period. Okay, we know that the periodic table we study with the atomic number, hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium. So this is the periods, and the groups there are 18 groups. 18 groups are there in periodic table. Okay, and the groups are come in like this. S block elements have two groups. Then the P block elements have 13 to 18. Okay, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. There are total 6 groups. And the D blocks have total 10 groups are there. Okay, in the periodic table there are four blocks S, P, D and F. But F blocks elements are not counted in periods. They have another category, and the name of this category is transition elements. Okay, and inner transition elements. And we also calculate the inner transition elements in F block elements, and they have two periods, lanthanide and actinides. Okay, so we will study about the total 18 groups. S block have 2 groups, P block have 6 groups, and D block have 10 groups. And importance of periodic table, importance of periods, I am telling you. The important is this: when we start the study about elements, with the increasing atomic number, then we study the elements with the period. Okay, all the elements are arranged with the periods, with the sequence. First elements of the periodic table is hydrogen, then hydrogen, helium. So what is the atomic number of hydrogen is 1, then helium is 2, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. So this is the they are arranged in the period wise. Okay, and they all have a increasing atomic number. Hydrogen have 1, then helium has 2. So this is the increasing order. Okay, and they are increasing with the atomic number. So this is the importance of periodic classification of elements. If you know about the period, know about the groups, then you deeply study. Then you can do the deeply study of elements. What is the role of elements? Okay, and which elements belonging from the which category, and what is the importance of this? So this all. Okay, then we start something. I will telling you about the importance. For the study about this chapter, first you learn atomic number. Okay, at least 1 to 30. Okay, first you study the atomic number at least 1 to 30, hydrogen to zinc. Okay, when you study about the atomic number, then you also have the knowledge about electronic configuration. And valency also. Okay, so first in this chapter you learn the atomic number. How many? What is the atomic number of this? What is the atomic number of calcium? What is the atomic number of scandium? Because in this chapter the question will come about the electronic configuration. I am just giving one question with example, and the question is this: the atomic number 20 are belonging from which group? So if you never about the atomic number 20, actually the atomic number 20 is a calcium, okay, and the calcium is belonging from which group? So it is belonging from which group? S block group, and the group number second. So how can you find the group number second? Because the atomic number of calcium is 20 and the valency of calcium is 2, 8, 8 and 2. It means they have a 2 electron in outer, or octet, and that's why the atomic number of 20 is belonging from the second. Okay, so first you study about the atomic number, after then we study the next